Grammy Countdown begins. Hi, I'm Debbie. 5 albums in contention and an all Jamaican lineup. But will it be Coffee or Kabaka? Sean or Shaggy? And what about Protege? Does a Grammy, however, still count?
And the Grammy goes to?
And the Grammy goes to...
Hold up your lighter and come.
Grammy winner Coffee ahead in album sales as her record Gifted is one of 5 albums nominated for a reggae Grammy. Gifted clocking over 220,000 album equivalent units and cracking the UK Top 10's album chart when it debuted.
Come on, Scorcher!
Scorcher by Sean Paul, who like Coffee has already won a reggae Grammy, sold over 22,000 album equivalent units, while Protege's Third Time's the Charm moved 3,200 units. Also nominated, Kabaka Pyramid for The Calling and Shaggy for Come Fly With Me, Sinatra Songbook.
I said that's life.
In a recent interview, Recording Academy CEO Harvey Mason told World Music View's J.R. Watkins that sales and streams are not factors in selecting nominees. Last year, the Reggae Grammy went to the US outfit Soulja for their album Beauty in the Silence. The Soulja win was widely criticized in Jamaica as inauthentic and a nod to reggae light.
All right.
Jamaican music producer John FX, who serves in the South Florida Grammy chapter, defended Soulja and the Grammys selection process.
What the winners have is they have a theme of just reggae, from track 1 to the end. And there's a thing that we study called epic albums. If you listen to Bob Marley Legend album, it's considered an epic album. Lauryn Hill Miseducation is an epic album. You don't even skip a track. What we tend to do as upcoming musicians and stuff, we want to have different genres involved. We try to do a mixture of too many things. And if you just keep the story the same, then the audience, remember they don't know, they're eating slowly. It's like the jerk chicken. We here in Jamaica, our jerk chicken is very spicy. The world cannot eat it so easily. In America, they call jerk chicken with barbecue sauce, not with the jerk sauce, they call that jerk chicken. So what happens is, it's almost like you have to make it where they can eat it. The palate of it. Sometimes our music's a little too, they love the grit, but sometimes they have too much grit. You know what I mean? I've seen where Blackwell would put a little barbecue sauce, Mr. Blackwell, and Bob Marley's music. A little blues guitar here, a little feelings here.
And it worked.
And it worked. It's just that you have to think in your mind as people, how do we make this our music where a larger majority of people can partake of it? Yes, you want to keep out of the youths in the streets, and hopefully we're hoping for it to grow.